When pouring wine from a bottle with sediment, leave the bottle in a horizontal position. Place a glass under the bottle. Holding the bottle in place, align the system over the neck of the bottle and push in firmly with one fluid motion. Tilt the bottle up slightly so wine is not covering the needle. Press the trigger. Gently lay the bottle back down and release the trigger to pour. When finished, slightly tilt the bottle up to stop the flow. To remove the system, grasp the bottle with one hand and firmly pull the handle straight out and off the bottle. Once finished, leave the bottle in a horizontal position. Another option is to use a wine bottle basket. Align the system around the neck of the bottle in the basket and push in firmly with one fluid motion. With one hand on the basket and the other on the handle, tilt the bottle so wine is fully in contact with the cork. Press and release the trigger to pour. When finished, tilt the bottle back to stop the flow. To remove the system, grasp the bottle with one hand and firmly pull handle straight out and off of the bottle. Leave the bottle in the basket to avoid mixing sediment. Coravin, savor the glass, preserve the bottle.